Hello and welcome to Sisimiut in Western Greenland. We are here for the next 2 full days exploring this area, and that includes some sunset photography down at the island, and then we're taking a boat trip to an abandoned fishing village, and that all starts right now. Let's go. And so our adventure begins about 5 kilometers outside of town. We've come out to this amazing little hut. Hope you can see it there behind me. It's a very small, like tent-sized cabin that I believe has been built so that people can take some shelter while they're camping out here. And there's just a beautiful landscape as you've seen from the drone. And the reason that I came out here as soon as we arrived is because we've got this beautiful weather and we've got about 4 other drone pilots as part of the group. And in order to get far enough away from the airport to be outside of the authorization zone to be able to fly, we had to come out to this spot. So it's only about an hour walk from the town, a little bit longer, and just across beautiful, beautiful scenery here. And we were able to get the drones up in the air as you saw, and just phenomenal footage. So something to keep in mind when you're visiting Greenland, Sisimiut, Ilulissat, Nuuk, etc. There's all these little tiny airstrips that Air Greenland uses to access all these small communities. And obviously we're not allowed to fly in the vicinity of the airport. So we want to try and get as far away as we can, but still not too far, because this landscape is phenomenal. So I want to explore it from the air, show you guys some of that. Now we're gonna head back towards town and out to the island for sunset. And with this weather, it's gonna be beautiful. We are down at the harbor of Sisimiut, heading out towards the island, which is actually a peninsula. It's called the island for some reason on Google Maps, but there's sort of like a remote kind of peninsula, and then a beautiful like small bay that if you're on the other side of it on the island, you're looking back towards the town. And the sun is setting out in the west, of course, so if we can sort of shoot back towards the town in the east, we could get really beautiful like soft glow, you know, golden hour light, because this time of year the sun sets very late. It sets at about 10 p.m. So we're heading out around 8, and we should be out there for about an hour and a half or so, and we're getting a nice slow burn sunset. And right now the conditions are absolutely beautiful, super calm out here, and I think we're gonna get some good photos. So time to explore the island of Sisimiut. We are down at the lake and the sun has just gone down, and I call this a lake, but it's actually a bit of an inlet and a fjord that comes around this peninsula, the island, and gives us this beautiful view of the town behind me. So this is Sisimiut with the main church and some beautiful red buildings up on a rock. And then you've got this amazing mountain and these crazy kind of Lego buildings back here. And I got one really good photo of those with the reflection in the water, because it's so calm right now that you can go to like a 20-second exposure and get just a phenomenal result. So very, very beautiful evening here. We've even got some kayaks to help create foreground interest. We put one just in the water right there, and it's working really, really well. So beautiful spot here on the Sisimiut Island, and again, just perfect conditions. So a really nice way to end our first full day. We just arrived in Sisimiut, Western Greenland today, and we're again here for the next 2 full days. So tomorrow is our adventure to the abandoned fishing village, which is going to be incredible. So that is coming up next. All right, guys, we made it to the abandoned village, and I have to introduce our captain. This is Hans Roch, and we are in Assaqutaq. You gotta have to do it for me. I have no idea.
Hans Rock in Assaqutaq.
Yes, and Assaqutaq is a abandoned fishing village, and Hans actually grew up about, what, 30 kilometers from here down the fjord?
Yeah,
In the next village down, and there are still people living in that village.
about 100 people.
100,
Yeah.
and it's on an island, yeah?
Yeah.
And tell us, they're using this now for school kids, yeah?
Yeah,
And your granddaughter is here?
she's here, yeah.
What are they doing, the kids?
I went in, they were drawing. I think they have drawing lessons.
Drawing lessons. Okay. And they spend about a week on this little island and just learning about nature?
Nature, fishing and hunting. I saw blood down there. I think they had shot a seal today.
Yeah, they cut up a seal earlier today.
Yeah.
Yeah, learn how to skin the seal, use the meat, I guess,
Yeah.
and the blubber. Amazing.
They're coming out again.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Thanks. Oh, this is the seal meat. So this is the seal that was caught earlier today and killed, and the kids are learning how to hunt and fish, right? So this here is the seal liver and the blubber, yeah? Brendan, you gonna get in on this?
I know. I think I could be friends with a seal, so I don't think I will. I have a rule that I never eat an animal that I think I could be friends with.
It's very good.
It's very good.
Yeah.
It smells not so very good.
Together.
Together is better?
Yeah.
Together is better. All right, so first time I've had, with salt. Oh, that's a good idea.
No salt first.
No salt
You gotta
first?
go pure first.
Here we go. Are you in the frame? I don't know if you're in the frame. Here, come up a little bit here. There we go. Okay. You're really not gonna have any?
No, I could be friends with a seal for sure.
So this is seal blubber on my hand there. No,
The
it's gonna.
seal is dead.
No, it's
I know,
not
I
gonna
couldn't be friends
focus.
with this seal.
All right, there we go.
Have you ever had camel meat?
That's very nice. That's a very good part. Yeah. Very nice. Together with the blubber, it's very nice. Very good.
You want to try?
Do you ever
How do you say good in Greenlandic?
Just a little, just a little.
Mamak.
Mamak.
Mama.
Mamak. Mamak. How do you say thank you?
Oyana.
Goyama.
Oyana.
Goyana. Goyana. It sounds like a country.
Yeah, I've been to Guyana.
We've been there. Goyana.
Beautiful country.
Oyana.
Yes, the liver is always very healthy, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, it's very good to eat raw. Yeah. You want some raw seal liver? Frank said no. Assaqutaq. That's where we are. Assaqutaq. I'm getting it now. All right, let's try a little bit more. Let's try a little bit of fresh seal liver with the blubber as well. Brendan, are you really not going to have any? You've got to try some. You never had fresh seal liver? Come on. Here, I got to get it on camera. He's going to do it. He's going to do it.
You can do it.
You can do
But I don't really like
it.
liver. The blubber I would eat.
Well done, well done.
Yeah, it's good.
It's chewy.
But I prefer the blubber. It's chewy. It's got a very distinct flavor.
What would you say it tastes
What
like?
does it taste like?
Chicken?
No. Oh, it tastes like something I know. Anyway, this isn't coffee tasting. This is seal tasting.
Let's get a big wave from you guys. Say hi to the camera. Look, here you are. Hello. Wait. I make it a bit wider. There we go. Yeah. Okay, try again. All right, we have finally escaped the kids on their summer camp. Really cute. They're super excited to share with us their first seal kill this week, and it was actually the first kill for one of the young boys, and that's apparently a pretty big rite of passage here, which makes perfect sense. So that's why we're eating some of the fresh liver, totally raw, with the seal blubber as well. So really unique experience here in Greenland, and a few of the people in the group wanted to try it as well, which is really cool. So we have escaped the kids now, and we're down here trying to get a couple photos. You've got absolutely beautiful reflections in this kind of dirty sort of pool. It's not very clean in here at all, but the water is like glass, which looks unbelievable. And yeah, it's a great opportunity to try and get some simple landscape reflection photos. And these houses are just awesome. It is 10 p.m. here at the abandoned fishing village, and we're coming across like a bit of a blue hour, like overcast sky, perfect for those reflection shots, and really beautiful conditions. It's super calm, you know, there's no wind, it's pretty warm, and we've just been privileged to have spent 2 hours here, you know, getting to meet those kids that are part of the summer camp and hearing about their story of killing the seal. And one of the young guys shot the seal for the first time in his life, and that's a pretty big deal from what it sounds like. So that's pretty amazing to be able to witness that, and then to be offered part of the liver and the blubber is, I believe, quite the sign of greetings, and really quite nice. So happy to have experienced that here. Gotta keep my voice down because the kids are sleeping. But we're gonna start heading back towards Sisimiut, and yeah, this is the end of the video. It's been fucking wild in Greenland once again. Absolutely amazing in this part of the world. Western Greenland, I could spend, I mean, I could come here every year for sure. There's a lot to explore, including the southern part of Greenland too. This is a travel photographer's dream. This place is incredible. So I hope you've enjoyed this video here in Sisimiut. And next up for me is actually heading back home to Germany. I'm gonna reunite with my family. Been missing my son Matteo and my wife Nelly, and I'm looking forward to seeing them again. And then next up for me for travel adventures is gonna be Botswana. So very different from here, but this has just been an absolute ride. Greenland is so wild. So I hope you've liked these videos. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one, either from back in Hamburg or from Botswana. All right, see you there.